Hello, hello, welcome, guys. Hope you are doing good. So before starting this bubble hours, as usual, this week update. So this week I have launched my long-awaiting bubble plugin course. So if you just want to start your bubble plugin journey, then you can buy out. Let me just add the link. Just give me 1 second. Okay, so this is the course. I'm just pinging that link into the comment section. If you interested, go check out. And if you are feel like you can even buy out. Let me just pin it. Okay. Hope you like it. So if you have any question related to that or like in general, just comment it out or uh, comment it out or like comment your message or even you can shoot me an email or like tweet also. I'm happy to answer you. So let's start. Apart from that, like most thing related to that, not much. But yeah, I'm from the Monday. I'm starting a one series of 30 days bubble plugin where I'm talking about daily one plugin, tweeting reels, and yeah, I'm going for the reels. Yes, I can't do anything because that's how YouTube works and people had told me the reels will get a lot of views. So trying out something new, at completely new for me. I never tried. I tried I think 1 or 2 days, but this will be more professional edited or something like that. Yeah, and you already know my series of Stripe is also going on. So from Monday, I will putting a more content related to that series. That series will have a I think minimum 10 to 15 videos. It will be Strike. I figure out Strike have a lot of features that we can build out. So yeah. So yeah. So whoever is watching it, welcome to the stream. So if you have any bubble query or something, you can comment it out here. And we are taking a bubble forum questions, and we will going one by one. And yeah, till now I have not learned how to work in the new responsive editor, so don't know much about that. So still not taking that sort of questions. But yeah, you can ask him bubble plugin question. So we can brainstorm together if you have any. Okay, sort operating. Okay, let's try. The first question will be a one design new responsible. So I'm leaving it out. Sort repeating group by linked item sort number. That is feel like interesting one. Let me just check it out. Yeah. Hey guys. Hey guys. Looking forward to any help you might be able to throw my way. Okay. Oh, this is a 2 year back question. Leave it. Compute start date of the monthly billing cycle. Oh, that is interesting one. If struggling with the problem, suppose the user subscription date is 10th of December 2021. Okay. I need to compute the start date of the current monthly billing cycle. I need to compute that. Okay. Month. Mentally, I do this by computing the number of months from till now to plus one, then adding two. The start date is, but I cannot figure out to. Okay. So he's the prop. Let's talk about the first problem. So he have a user problem like he subscription related problem. How to get a monthly billing cycle starting date. So the problem is suppose he have started the billing from the 19th of February and from next billing date will be a 18th of 19th of March, then so on and so on. But then he's asking how he calculate that and all. So my best guess is if you're using Stripe and any payment gateway, they give a proper functionality. They remind a user, okay, your your next billing date is that is, and you can also fetch that billing date from the Stripe or Razorpay, whatever you are, whatever whatever you are using it. So that is the first way and quick way. But if you need to do it your own, best is store the monthly wise rather than having a calculate for the 2 month, 3 month, or just at the like monthly or like half yearly, whatever the cycle you are following. For example, you are following a half yearly billing, or you are following yearly billing, or you are following monthly billing. So the best is if you have a lot of user as in like you have a more than 100 user, the best is uh, schedule one service or schedule a set up a backend workflow that will run daily, and that will daily calculate the date and check if there is any date submission for today. So you can even disable his account if he is not paid. If he is paid, just calculate the next month. So let me just give you example. So for example, today is 19/5 and scheduler runs and he check, okay, this date is already gone. I need to calculate the next one. You store that value to your order table and with the status due pending if payment is not made yet. But if payment is made yet, you got to know by your payment gateway that that you have set up a subscription. So that is fairly easy. Move on to the next one. This is the plugin. Uh, Okay, by the way, I'm running one, whoever don't know, I'm running a one hashtag 30 days bubble plugin where I'm talking to different plugin. If you have any plugin you want to you want me to talk, then just comment it out also, and I will take it. Okay, next is API workflow, making changes to 2 million rows in database table. Oh, this is I may need to change a 2 million rows thing in a database using workflow. If this see if I don't. What the number of rows should I do in a my first thing is take a backup of your data. Whenever you made a use database changes or something, take a backup data in your CSV or download. Since we are using 2 million of row and thing, you must have a paid account. So it's always better to download the data into your local and then call a recursive workflow or set up a backend workflow. I think that will take a use time. I think 2 3 hours. I don't know how much, but it will take a use time. So it do figure out where your user is, most of the user is, and do it in the night and send them mail. We are send them mail. Okay, we are doing some maintenance, and before 1 week or so, and keep reminding every after 2 days and all. So they get a 3 to 4 mail. You have some server maintenance on such day, and do by the recursive workflow or backend workflow, whichever field you like. But I have just one more question. Uh, do check your system capacity. Do check you have enough enough capacity so that your 2 million query is running properly. It will not break in between. If it is going to be in break in between, you never figure out where exactly you have made progress, and till now you have made a progress or till not. So that is a suggestion. Next is stripe ad is not tied to an existing plan. I have an error in the Stripe. They say the ID provided in the plan field is not tied to an existing plan. Okay. Okay. I have created a one product with the yeah, got a some question. Let me just Narayan, hi Narayana. Hi, I have a couple of questions. Yeah, sure. This is for the question. Just comment it out the questions. Tag specify channel. Okay. Can you talk about how to set up the zero code Algolia plugin? I have not figured out in detail, but I think that's a paid plugin. I never used it, so I need to check that. I will mark that question and I will uh, check it out and let you know. Just give me 1 second. And I got some more query related to zero code algorithm. Lot of people are using this plugin or not. What? I will cover that in our 30 days bubble plugin hashtag. Okay, come back to our question. Okay, this is the error he is getting into the Stripe. Resource missing, subscription data, item zero plan. I don't know. I think best guess is my always best guess. In whenever you face a issue related to Stripe, reach out to their support team. They are best to help you, and they are pretty quick. But whatever I'm able to figure out from here, some issue with the plan ID. Either you have added some plan ID to that order, and you after that you have deleted that again or something like that. So feel like that. Okay. Call for the bubble field answer. Sorry, wrong. I will not. Okay. How to count rows for the CSV file? Okay. Okay. Tech specify have another same question. If there is a another way to set up Angular search. Okay. I never use the that Angular search, but I know in the bubble there's a direct way of integrating Angular. I'm just because I am not remember correctly where, but I have read there is a one toggle button there, then you can set up or something like that. I need to dig deeper it, but I have already write it down. I will make a video if I am able to find a good answer. Okay, that's a 1 month. One two or three. In my app, users can upload a CSV file. I don't actually need this to be inputted into my database. I just need to link to file simple enough. The challenge is to I want to count the number of rows uploaded in the CSV. Okay, so what his question is, the user question is, user is uploading the CSV file into their application. They just want to know how many rows into that CSV file. Okay, for that there is an API is available to different platform. If I remember correctly, if you just search on the count CSV rows, uh, count CSV rows API, then you will I think this is the Python question how they are doing. They're actually reading the file and everything. There is I think solution is there. I don't know, but there is a API providing here that takes your CSV file and upload CSV file and give you a count. It is pretty much possible. Or you can write your own PHP or Python code on the any other platform like Zapier or like AWS Lambda, and then you can call that function by the API. Okay, now move to the next. I think I will. This live stream can be switch off because electricity is not there. My UPS is. I don't think it will support more than 5 to 6 minute more. Making user Twitter. Okay. I want to make a marketplace where you send homework to Twitter and how Twitter do it. Okay. If I want to classify normal user Twitter, where I'm not able to. Okay, his question is how he can assign the different user role and permissions to the. He's talking about just a user role, but I think this is a pretty common question. A lot of people beginners have. So the best way is make a one option set that have all the all the users type. For example, in this case, normal user, Twitter, these are the only two type. And whenever you are creating a user, just assign particular user to particular that. And when you are doing operation, you just need to fetch what its user type by just checking the user row. Okay, that is already solved. Already solved. Looking for the bubble. There is a lot of opening out. There is a lot of opening related to bubble right now. I don't know. Okay.